Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 2, resources and their types. And today is its 9th lecture and we will do a project today. So my dear students, before moving on towards the project, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So for that, you have to answer the question, what are economic choices? हमने इकोनॉमिक चॉइसेस के बारे में पढ़ा था. क्विकली आंसर द क्वेश्चन. Very good. When we have to fulfill our needs to stay and we have to stay in our budget, these are called economic choices. So my dear students, now let's quickly move towards page number 13 and let's quickly have a look कि आज हम कौन सा जो है SLO करने वाले हैं. हम already ये SLO complete कर चुके हैं. You have already identified the natural resources, plants, animals, water, air, land, forest, and human resources and the capital resources. But because today we will make a project, तो हम दोबारा से जो है इस SLO को revise करेंगे. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective related to it. He created the heavens without any visible support and he placed firm mountains on the earth in case it should shake under you, and he spread all kinds of animals around it. We sent down water from the sky with which we made every kind of good plants grow on earth. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला ने ज़मीन पर हमारे लिए बेतहाशा जो है वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो है वो रखे हैं, जिनसे जो है हम दूसरे जो है कैपिटल रिसोर्सेज और उसमें जो है हम उनको कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो हमारे इर्द गिर्द अल्लाह ताला की बेशुमार जो है वो नेमतें बिखरी हुई हैं. सो माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, उसी ने आसमानों को सतूनों के बगैर पैदा किया जैसा कि तुम देखते हो, और ज़मीन पर पहाड़ बनाकर रख दिए ताकि तुमको हिला हिला ना दें, और इसमें हर तरह के जानवर फैला दिए, और हमने आसमानों से पारे नाजिल किया, फिर उससे उसमें हर किस्म की नफीस चीज़ें उगाईं. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading questions. आप already human resources, capital resources और natural resources के बारे में जानते हैं. Quickly name some natural resources. Good. Air, water, sun, land, forest, trees, animals, these all are natural resources. Now name some capital resources. Table, chair, pen, pencil, your bag, computer, mobile, these all are capital resources. Now quickly name some human resources. Doctors, teachers, gardener, carpenter, mechanic, these all are human resources. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for project number 2 given on page number 23. Quickly open the page. I hope everybody has opened page number 23. Here you can see project number 2. Let's quickly look कि आज हम project number 2 किस तरीके से start करेंगे और आपको क्या क्या करना है. Chores of life are dependent upon all of the 3 resources that you have studied in this unit. Now find out these resources in the following. Okay, my dear students, यहाँ पे आपको fields given हैं. Education, medicine, grocery store, clothing, agriculture. ठीक है. अब आपको ये तमाम fields given हैं और आपको इनमें बताना है कि कौन कौन से resources जो हैं वो इसमें कौन कैसे कैसे यूज होते हैं, यानी कौन से नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एजुकेशन में यूज होते हैं, कौन से ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज और कौन से कैपिटल रिसोर्सेज. वी विल हैव अ लुक वन बाय वन और मैं आपको इसकी पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी. चोर्स ऑफ लाइफ का मतलब होता है कि डेली बेसिस के ऊपर जो आप काम करते हैं, यानी कि जो आपकी डेली ड्यूटीज होती हैं, उनको हम चोर्स ऑफ लाइफ कहते हैं. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले हम एजुकेशन में देखते हैं कि कौन से नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज यूज होते हैं. आप फर्नीचर यूज करते हैं, टेबल चेयर जिस पे आप बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हैं, वो किस चीज से बनता है? यूजुअली इट इज मेड फ्रॉम द वुड ऑफ प्लांट्स. सो हियर दिस इज द नेचुरल रिसोर्स. नाउ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कौन सा है? Your teacher, of course. He is providing or she is providing you with a service. Capital resource, books, tables, chairs, pens, pencils, multiple है, बहुत सारे हैं. So you have to write down their names. मैं आपको pictures दिखा रही हूँ ताकि थोड़ा सा interesting हो जाता है. Okay, next, medicine. कौन कौन से ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज जो है वो नेचुरल ह्यूमन और कैपिटल रिसोर्सेज मेडिसिन में यूज होते हैं. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. आप मेडिसिन जो है वो यूज करते हैं, टैबलेट्स, सिरप्स. सो वो किस चीज से बनते हैं? दे आर मेड फ्रॉम यूजुअली प्लांट्स. सो हेयर यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट प्लांट्स. देन कौन सा ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है? डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, दीज आर ऑल human resources in medicine. Then capital resources, different equipments used in medicines like stethoscope, X-ray machine. These are all capital resources. And the medicine that you use, these are all capital resources. Now the grocery store. Grocery store में natural resources क्या होते हैं? Fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs. These are all natural resources. And what are the human resources? When you go to a grocery store, there you see a cashier, you see a salesman. They are providing you different services. So they are the human resources in a grocery store. Next, the capital resource, the grocery items that you look around you, they are all capital resources like different creams, shampoos, and different household products that you buy for your home. They are all capital resources. Next, clothing. Clothing में जो कपड़े आप पहनते हैं उसमें natural resource क्या है? Your clothes are made from cotton. So here cotton is the natural resource of clothes. And the human resource, the tailor who makes your clothes, he is the human resource. The capital resource is the clothes that you wear, like different kinds of clothes, sweaters, shirts, pants. These are all capital resources. Then in agriculture, what are the different resources? In agriculture, seeds and land are the natural resources, and the human resource is the farmer. Capital resources are bread, biscuits that you made from different crops that we get are the capital resources. So that is how you will complete this project. If you need your book, अगर आपकी ये स्पेस इनफ नहीं होती तो आप अपनी नोटबुक जो है उसको भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So my dear students, complete it, pause the video, complete it and submit it to your teacher. I hope everybody has finished the project. Neat and clean handwriting में करना है इसको without any mistake. And we will move forward towards your practice. For practice, you can simply download worksheet number 9 from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So write down your name and your class at the top, and then resources. Check the correct box to identify which resource it is. ठीक है? आपको यहाँ पे कुछ items दिए गए हैं और यहाँ पे आपको resources लिखे हुए हैं. आपको बताना है कि कौन सा item किस resource के नीचे जाएगा. Let me do the first one for you. Okay, number 1 is baker. So baker is a person who provides you with a service. So he is a human resource. So baker. Okay, let me do a capital resource for you. Hammer. Then comes sun. Sun is natural resource. So this is how you will complete your worksheet. Complete the worksheet and submit it to your teacher, and she will check it for you. Now we will move forward towards the evaluation. Okay, my dear students, simply answer the question, what are natural resources? The resources that exist around us naturally are called natural resources. What are human resources? The different services or activities provided by the people are called human resources. What are capital resources? Different things or goods which are made by the humans are called capital resources. Very good. Now we will move forward towards your homework, my dear students. Quickly note down the homework. Discuss with your parents about some natural, human and capital resources used at home. आपके घर पे कौन से natural, capital और human resources को आप use कर रहे हैं? Think about them. Discuss it with your parents. Okay? So ये बड़ी healthy discussion होगी. Discuss it on your dinner table, your lunch table, your free time, and you will have fun. My dear students, now is the time for wrap up. For wrap up, naturally occurring materials are called natural resources such as plants, animals, air, land, and soil. People who made efforts to provide goods and services are called human resources like farmers, doctors, teachers, etc. And sources, resources created by ease and are called capital resources. यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी goods, items जो कि आपकी जिंदगी को आसान करने के लिए बनाए जाते हैं, they are called capital resources. I hope you have enjoyed the project. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.